being right wasn't a good thing in this case. Because, you know, everything's so protected by MF or manager. Our pockets, bank accounts are full.
So it's extra noisy in this shop. I got a bunch of CNC machines behind me running. Got the Bandito over there handling business. I got the 6-channel amp from CT Sounds right here. I want to show it to you guys. It looks real nice.
Take some time. Classic from Boss.
She's looking real nice, real sexy. I didn't even have to pull the back cover off to see the guts, which was real nice. So everything's still intact. I say we hook it up and see what this looks like. Benefits of a 6-channel amp are kind of endless because you can do 3 subwoofers bridged if you want to. You can do your left and right tweeters, your left and right and mid-range, and your left and right and mid-bass on it. You can do your mids and highs on the first 4 channels and bridge the last channels to a subwoofer. But for me, if I was using this, I'd have a separate subwoofer amp, and I'd be running the tweeters off a pair of the channels, a mid-range off another set of channels, and the mid-bass off another set of channels, and then that would take care of the whole entire front end right there all by itself. Love me a 6-channel. Now you can easily use this amp without a crossover. It's got built-in crossovers. If you want a little bit more precision, I like to use an active crossover right before the amp. If I was going to run a 6-channel amp personally, I'd put a set of 3-ways on it and use channels 1 and 2 for the tweeters, channels 3 and 4 for the 3-inch mids, and on channels 5 and 6 that would be going to the mid bass, like the 6.5 or something like that. Then you got a full 3-way setup and 1 amp ready to go. I got this 3-way set hooked up. Each one of these speakers has their own channel individually crossed over for what they like best. You can hear it a little if I get up close. Fully active.
Thrash life, t-shirt, camel shorts and some dope kicks. It's Dolce and blue and smoke like a dragon. I'm a city star. I was taught to play the game, so I'm saying ain't no million that I get it. I mean, I'm on it till I get it. So this song on blue, let's go, Georgia the jungle. I hit these streets, nigga, number one, I'm getting it.
It's always a good thing when you're running active and each speaker has its own channel and its own set of frequencies to deal with. It's always going to be a lot cleaner. I got no problem with passive crossovers, but I like to run all active. And an amplifier like that will help you run your entire front end without passive crossovers. So with that, I mean, other than unboxing this thing, showing it to you guys, hooking it up, and playing it, not sure what else there is to do. Every single CT Sounds amp we've ever tested has done its numbers and then some. So we don't need to run this on the amp dyno right now. I can't do all 6 channels at the same time anyways. And I would definitely need to do all 6 channels at the same time in order to get a true number out of this amp. I'm more than confident that this thing will do its rated power. The convenience of having 6 channels is the most important thing. I'm out of here.